My name's Priscilla Ryland. I was a Senior Vice President of Global Corporate Partnerships for a medical ultrasound company. I had radial keratotomies in 1982. I had 32 cuts total with severe cornea scarring. I developed a very dense cataract and no one would touch me. I saw multiple doctors and they told me to come back when I was walking with a stick. I found Dr. Gulani on ChatGPT and was able to come up here. The care I received has been amazing. I'm now seeing 20/20. The people, I cannot speak highly enough for the people. Dr. Gulani, they spend all the time in the world with you, helping you make the right decision. And I can't say enough good things about Dr. Gulani himself. Is caring and kind and generous with his time. My experience in the surgical suite was over the top. It's a gorgeous facility. Every person took such good care of me. I felt like I was in the very best hands. I had a severely dense cataract. My whole left eye was completely white from the cataract. And now I'm 20/20. And I can't thank Dr. Gulani and the team here enough. 20/20 now, without glasses.